In this video, we play bingo in Bangalore city. There are 3 teams. Team 1 or orange team is Nan, Sumer and Vihan. Team 2 or blue team is Amatya, me and Yash. Team 3 or white team is Ari, Arjun, Eggy and Prithvi. Each team has a different set of 9 objectives that they must complete before arriving to the endpoint, Iblur Lake, at 4 pm. Each team has to use all 4 modes of transport: cab, auto, bus and metro. The rules are simple. Watch till the end to see how it all goes wrong.
Okay, now we're about to open the pieces of paper. Okay, it has all the tasks in it. Bro, open it.
Bro, stop. Look into my face, Ari, you know. I'll whack your
Bro. Explain what's going on today.
So we're doing the bingo in Bangalore.
Bingo lore. Okay, everyone go. Bye. Okay, we're going, come.
We should go to Church Street last, third, and then go to UB City from that freaking walk, no?
We can do this in Cabin Park.
Yeah, they rigged it, it's rigged.
And then so this is Bangalore Fort. I have to see how far Bangalore Fort is from Cabin Park.
There's so many pictures.
Isn't it? 20 minutes, 15 minutes. From here it's 30 minutes.
The God is super tall. Look at that steaming, bro.
Your dad is close this. I don't want to come back here again.
Okay, then we go to Jamyang Masjid. Then we take a bus to Indranagar. Metro.
I don't know where this is. I don't know anything on that metro. So
Zoom it to the other guys also.
Okay, so
What are they doing?
Guys, we're on our way to
the
Church
Mad Room
Street.
Monday.
I already said that. Okay. Guys, we're on our way to Church Street. Guys, this is the first challenge. If you want to see more, like and subscribe. Guys, EPL
Guys,
teams, I think
we
we're
have to
gonna be
pick our
hard.
first task. Wait, show the task. See, we think we can do them all together if we go towards Church Street. We can do like UB City and
Let's sit
Lalbagh
down
and all
let me
together.
get this.
The other teams, they're trying to plot something. Picture tube. Yeah, Akshad, can you come with us? We're going there, you also going there.
Hey, go home. You go to work. You go get your own task.
Follow his Instagram.
Arjun.
He has a nice profile picture.
we're going to get some cold water.
at McDonald's. Oh my.
How do you feel in your first man from Monday? Okay. This will be our best video yet. Guys, we're booking an auto to UB City to do our first objective. Take a picture at UB City. Cut to the other team.
We made it into the bus now.
Sit down. You're not the sander, bro. You think you're a cool kid.
Explain to them.
Okay, so we just got onto a bus. We're going to Brigade Road now to walk to Kasturba Road from there. We're going to Cabin Park. We're going to finish. Where the fuck is the task?
I don't know. Wait. And then what else there? Running kilometer.
Subscribe and like if you like sex.
You what? Huh?
If you want to promote the LGBTQ community, please subscribe.
What if
Okay,
what if
picture with
wait,
the
wait,
full
wait,
body
wait.
size
What if
tattoo.
one of us pee? What if one of us pee and then the other one just records? Shut the
Victoria statue out there coming back.
Fine, done. In Cabin Park, we can do 3 tasks.
Where the hell is all this?
Guys, it's a very hot day, guys. We're
We're going
struggling,
inside
guys.
to get some AC while we wait for the auto.
Yeah, guys, we're waiting for the auto, and we don't know what the other team is up to, but we hope that they're not doing anything too nasty, guys. In the comments, we found the ops while recording, guys. Look at them, guys. They're the ops. They're trying to plan. They think they're on to something here. And also, guys, I got an auto. I got an auto.
Cab, bus,
Where are you going for?
Rapido also.
So dumb.
No Rapido, no?
Bro, Church Street, we can
Bro, you have to use all three apps. Uber, Ola, Nammayatri, Rapido. Bro, just
Not apps,
Trust.
not apps.
Nan, where's Saint?
You're not the.
shit.
The ops are creeping on us, guys. Look at Sumer over there. He thinks he's slick like that. Oh, cab. Guys, our cab is here, guys. We're on our way to Church Street.
Cut to Arjun, Avi, Eggy and Prithvi.
If I stick my middle finger out of the window, I need 3 comments from each of you. Each and every
3
one.
likes is better.
3 comments.
3 comments.
3 comments. 3 likes. We're doing a giveaway.
Make your grandmother subscribe to the channel. Oh, actually,
we're selling a much.
no, $500 giveaway. We'll also contribute like $50.
a much.
Yeah, you'll get more money for that.
No, we won't. We need.
These two are love. This one.
I have no clue what
Go
they're
to
talking
Agra
about.
Lake.
We're in the auto right now
On the way to UB City.
Yash, what do you say about the situation? Bros too bamboozled to speak, guys. So guys, we're gonna go to Church Street. We'll try to finish this, and this, guys. This
And maybe these two if possible, if you see cops or...
and then this will be the last task for us, guys.
For everyone.
Guys, we reached Brigade Road now, and like and subscribe for a free trip to Thailand.
What?
You get Thailand prostitutes are legal. So like and subscribe, and we'll sponsor you a trip to Thailand where prostitutes are legal, not like in India. On Church Street, there are many prostitutes, but like it's not really legal. The cops, if the cops see them, then they'll arrest them. So they have to dress up like they're part of Bangalore, you know. And I'm just crossing the road now. Okay, yeah, but prostitutes aren't legal in Bangalore, but they are in Thailand. Big sex.
Iced tea review. It's not, no way, let me try.
You dumbass! Guys, Nan just squirted all the iced tea on Sumer.
I swear, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Pretty nice ice.
He's still rating the iced tea, bro.
Tired from all the walking and running and bus traveling, so we're going to take a seat here because we need some rest.
We're at UB City. We're gonna do our tasks now.
We have to take a picture at UB City, then walk to Church Street and shit.
Yeah, and then we'll go to Lal Bagh or something for lunch. Peace out. Skip to the next team.
Guys, first task done. Jamia Masjid, as you can see here. Quite beautiful.
Not Muslim.
Released a Hindi song called Biba.
See, now we've got 2 POVs. Oh, I'll record the sound. No, I record the
Officially, I mean not yet officially. If we take a picture, we've officially
We finished one task.
we finished one task. Okay, guys, come for a picture.
Wait,
Church Street.
okay, guys.
I left the task sheet in the bathroom. I don't know where actually, but we lost it. So we have to use a soft copy. Yeah, I am really sorry
apologize.
about that.
Now we're on our way to KR Market from Jamia Masjid.
You wanna have soda? You wanna have light soda?
350 meters from
lime
here.
soda?
This is going to be our second task. And now we're planning to have lime soda.
Lime soda. I think this is meant to be the ice. Please don't get ice.
Please don't get ice, man. You'll get diarrhea. Yeah, yeah.
Can you guys get?
I'll drink little from you. Get no, please, man.
It's fine.
Please, guys. Okay, guys, we decided not to drink lime soda. Okay.
We're trying to find somebody who speaks French, guys. It's gonna be a hard task.
French.
Yeah, I know, but hey, okay, say a line for us in case we like.
It's alright. I cut to the actual.
We found
Another task of ours is to cosplay Doja dog. Her kitty.
What is happening? Guys, we got a picture taken in UB City. Now we're walking to Church Street
America.
and we're gonna buy a biscuit for a dog to eat, guys.
There's Captain America there. Pose.
Whoa.
Me and Steve.
Please kick Rishi out of Man Room in the comments.
Hey, all the Avengers.
Hashtag kick Rishi in the comments, guys.
It's ChatGPT.
I knew he did. I knew. There's no way. Sales girl required for clothing store for ladies in Baswan Gadi. We can't go, bro.
Hey, you're damn funny, man.
Guys, we've somehow found ourselves in Paris. We don't know how we've come to Paris. Oh shit, this truck's blocking it. But yeah, we're in Paris now. Because we're in Paris. Guys, who's in Paris?
This is like Fortnite, guys. This is like the Fortnite basement. If you shoot it with a pistol, it will become like that. And then the whole place will start blowing up, guys. Okay.
Huh? Okay.
Guys, as you can see, Kia Market. The main market of Bangalore, I think. I'm not sure, guys.
We're in the real streets, guys.
This is real Bangalore for you, old Bangalore.
Second task almost done, guys. We're better than the
And
other
if you can
teams.
smell or you can't smell.
No, I don't think they can
Amartya
smell.
can never be close.
Amartya is a fraud.
Guys,
Cut
we
to
should have
Amartya's
given-
team now.
We should
Just
have
because-
given, we
just
should have
because
given
I wasn't there
Arjun.
last video.
We should have given Arjun this task. He would have died because of the stench.
Guys,
But
cut to Amartya's
Kia
team.
Market's there, and this is our second task done, guys.
So Rishi's live.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go live on the official Manroom account. Let's do this. How do I do
Keep
this?
on.
How do I live stream? What's up? Om! Whoa!
Oh my god.
Whoa! Om, if you're nearby, come
Jatin!
Whoa.
Jatin! Guys,
Hey, Ari!
who invited Ari, bro? Ari, get out. No one invited you.
How do I accept it?
He left. Shit, I wanted to come back.
Whoa, he's here. Shit.
Hey. Why?
This guy.
Okay, I ended live.
Bye, guys.
Guys, man room video. New man
It'll
room.
be like later. Yeah, next week.
The real Mohan OGs know where we are right now. This exact supercar, you know. Okay, we're on Church Street and we just found someone who speaks French.
What's wrong with you? Guys, we just finished our second task, the KR Market task.
Don't cut.
Guys, don't get cabs from KR Market.
Stay here.
Convention.
Guys, we've ditched the official sponsors of this video is Namma Metro, guys.
Oh my
Buy a car today.
Oh, it's coming in 7 minutes.
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna win.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Find a
Carbon
moving,
park.
find a moving supercar.
That we'll find in UB City.
We won't find one. We're not gonna find one.
Then fine. Where you're officially declaring you fired. Your tasks are too hard.
Where are they?
This is why you buy cards, guys.
Only done one task so far. I don't know how good that is or not compared to the other teams.
But we should probably get a move on.
Yeah. We need to find a dog. We need to make
Guys,
someone
keep
laugh.
coming, guys. I don't like this. We have to move our legs right now.
Whoa.
What do you think this is?
Whoa.
In life, when you fall down, you have to always get back up.
Amatya is right.
We've officially finished 2 tasks. We're at 3 tasks. We're at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, the home of the Royal Challengers Bangalore. Let's go. Okay, time to take a picture.
Man, bro.
What happened to the call?
Guys, we're at the Kia Market Metro. Now we'll take a metro to Carbon Park and then do 2 of our tasks. 3 after.
3 done.
Guys, we've just seen Dwayne Johnson.
We found the rock.
We found him.
We found the rock. We're gonna go sit on the rock.
Dwayne the Rock Johnson.
Oh, Aggie. Come on, Aggie. We're here at Carbon Park, guys.
Okay, now we're going to finish another task. We're going to run. Just like the people when police are chasing. Come, let's go.
No one in the ticket counter. I don't know.
Bangalore is a great place, guys. We always find compromise and
No metro.
Yeah, 5 rupee coin.
good aesthetic experience. Oh, you do some mean shit. Yes, you're not funny. Let's do the. You ain't funny, bro. Okay, sorry. That was a joke. Tell me. Guys, respect everyone's opinion. Everyone's opinion is matter. Okay.
It's hot. I can't walk more.
Embrace the technology. Don't be like Bihan. Whoa, the train escaped.
Where is it, bro? I can say.
Guys, if you want to pull the fans of come on, we can push them in the track.
What's the quote of the day? There's a purple car there. In life, rare things must always be appreciated. Like that purple car, you know.
Guys, that was damn deep.
Look at the.
Yash, what is the quote of the day? That was damn deep, guys.
At this point in the video, me, Amatya and Yash were just walking down Lavelle Road minding our own business when this cop just asked us to come with him. Because we needed a picture with the cop as one of our objectives, we decided to follow him, and he took us into some weird room with a bunch of random people from like all over the city. It was like some sort of cult meeting or something and we were too scared to leave. So I messaged Prithvi and asked him to call me and act like it was an emergency.
They've been caught by the cops.
What the fuck?
By the cops.
Oh, bro, they're going to get.
We're supposed to start running a kilometer now. Arjun and Aggie are eating snacks.
Hey, bro, my
Hey,
leg
bro.
broke. Can you come urgently? Like really urgently?
Wait, are you talking to Rishi?
Bro, it's like hurting damn badly, and like your mom is calling, and your dad is calling. Bro, are you actually stuck in the police station?
He's down speaking. Rishi? Is everything okay? Are you actually at the police station?
And I told them that it was an emergency and then they finally let us go. And Yash had to tell them I was a US citizen also. Otherwise they weren't really willing to let us go. We were scared for our lives. We thought we had been arrested or something.
What are you looking at?
With Amartya.
Look at this. Look at him. Fucking with me. What are you looking at?
Wait, what do you mean they're not coming?
Look at this. Look at this guy. He's trying to act too cocky.
Why are you right now?
He's trying to act too cocky. What is he trying? Bitch.
The police officers.
better run before they see us.
They'll stick the sticks up
No,
your
no,
ass.
no, no, no.
Raise your hands if you think I'm hot.
I haven't raised my hand.
Guys, fully size statue. We can't enter, so we have to take photos. Yeah.
That's our third task done for the day.
We need Cobbin Park, hopefully.
Hey guys.
We're at Cobbin Park. Nice one.
Hey, you told me to record.
We are at Cobbin Park. We're running on.
Yeah, guys. We're in Cobbin Park. We have to do the 1 kilometer run.
Oh shit.
Yeah, side stage, no?
It's showing in miles.
Rishi reference. What? Cotton candy, bro. I'm still confused.
Cotton candy.
Bro's obsessed with cotton candy, I think. Okay.
Photography, cinematic, photo shoot.
Smile.
Hello. We can't take pictures. Vote here.
I know who will check that.
I don't want to be penalized.
Okay, we managed to get in to the statue. Shit.
Hey, smile.
Guys, we're at Cobbin Park and we've just seen cotton. It's cotton, guys.
I know,
There's
but
a
they're hiding everyone. They hide
Oh.
them in the
The little chamber.
Yeah.
cheese.
No, but when you say cheese, what if someone is on the chi and you take the picture? Yeah.
Blood is waffling.
Then they're on the ease. When you're on the ease, you're smiling. Hello, cheese gang or butter gang? Me personally, I'm a cheese fellow.
This is he's referring to someone taking a picture and then they said cheese. That's where this is coming from.
Yeah, because butter isn't really a smile, but when you say cheese,
Becky had the best.
Okay, so my
they don't know. I think they called by mistake. We can hear them.
Guys, we got out of the police station.
We escaped.
We got into some weird meeting and it was damn scary.
These guys were the real deal, guys. The real ops. The ops. Yeah, I didn't say that, guys. I didn't say that. But these guys were the real deal, guys. This is why you have to follow the rules.
I don't know what rule we broke.
You have to
bro.
follow the rules in Bangalore, guys. It won't end well for you. We as Manroom
Yeah, I
do
think we
support
committed
everything in
some
Bangalore.
jaywalking over here. But
No,
we're
no, guys, we didn't do anything. We don't support breaking rules. We're all chill, guys. Just chill out, guys.
they thought we were up to something.
Oh, Guys, they have come into trouble with the police. Some mad stuff going on. Rishi!
He survived because Yash told them I was a US citizen. So like, screw him, let him go. So like, I'm out. We're all out.
We out, guys.
Cut to
You
the
know,
other team.
This is the value.
You get secret info.
I'm intense. I don't know if you'll be able to get a picture with the cops today.
Yeah, guys, we're
I
already
don't
on our
know,
guys.
This is quite. You never know who could be behind you at any
Bro,
moment.
shut up.
On time. We're fugitives. Manroom on the run from the law. I've been recording this. You guys are so dumb. I've heard all of this.
Guys, I don't appreciate this, guys. They're trying to accuse us of doing wrongs. We done nothing wrong. Free us. God did.
Justice for Manroom.
Guys. Bro, but if we waited there, we could have taken a picture of that. Fuck off, bro.
We'll take a picture with the cops at Trinity.
Okay.
Okay.
Cobbin Park.
All Bhavan. Sumay, you should go in there because you like kids. Whoa!
There's no way!
There's no way!
There's no way!
There's no way!
Guys,
Oh, you're doing running the kilometer! Suck your mothers!
You're actually running!
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Using Strava! Good job!
Why did you make Bro, they're ahead.
Look at Aggie, bro. Look at Aggie. He's on the mountain. This is the fourth one going on.
This is the fourth.
Take a video, you.
Wait, when did you get caught?
Bro, he butt dialed us. Keep recording.
Guys, we finished. Me and Pratik finished on a kilometer. No.
We just finished. We met the orange team.
Yeah.
Oh, we've actually.
Hi guys.
Keep it recording.
How many meters done?
We finished.
Oh, you guys are permanently recording.
No.
We just record short clips and stuff.
Yeah, same. Arjun and Aggie still have to run.
Guys, crossover.
Run, go.
Oh my goodness.
You say butt dial.
And they got caught by the cops.
I know. You can have a sip.
It's the Instagram.
Dan said we can't have a picnic at the park. We can't when we're doing it.
This designer got me looked. Sorry. No, bloody adversaries.
Oh, shit, it's good.
I don't. No one's drinking that shit.
Arjun and Aggie. Oh my god. It's actually running properly.
Okay, guys, we finished. We finished 5 tasks out of the 9 tasks. We have 4 tasks left. You know, Rishi opens his chips right in the middle.
Yes, I edit this video. You're gonna see this.
Like right in the middle. Who is that syndrome to open it right in the middle?
Bro, you can't open the packet only.
Trust, I got this.
Don't know. Oh, finally. Oh, wow, that's perfect. Look at how he's opening it.
It's like a true white guy.
It's because of the white beam. Yeah. Thank you.
Did you get lunch or you got only chips? Only got chips.
Say we left Vihan at the top.
The ops have left. And Vihan is
Vihan at the
still
top of the
there.
hill. He's sucking lime juice out of a. I chucked some shit at him.
Shit, where they go?
Some shit at him.
From here?
Yeah.
That went nowhere near him. Throw again.
Hi guys, we just finished running a kilometer. We met the orange team. Yeah.
The orange team.
Yeah, the orange team. And we're the white team.
Starbucks sending you notification.
No, that's Airtel. That's Airtel.
I can't see it. It's too much light, guys.
Okay. And now we're going to go towards Bangalore Fort, but we also have to find a supercar on the way.
No, that's at UB City.
No, just if we find one on the way, that would be so much more convenient because UB City
Where
is
will you find a supercar at the market?
Hey man, I'm saying on the way, you know, trust the process.
We're in the metro.
Aggie,
The only thing you can see is
Aggie, I know what I'm doing.
really.
Guys, they laughed. They laughed. Amartya did a W.
We have finished lunch at Cubbon Park. Now we are going. Okay. Now we're going to. Where?
Vidhan Sauda.
You said Bangalore Palace.
Are we going to Bangalore Palace or Vidhan Sauda?
Bangalore.
Bangalore Palace. We're going to feed the dog a biscuit. As you can see, the dog is there.
We were stuck in the station for like 30 minutes.
As you can see, the dog is not interested in eating it. He. Okay, guys. Rishi will bite you, Rishi. He's not very keen in eating it. We'll come back later. We'll find a better dog because this dog is really bad. Hello. Yeah. What counts as a supercar?
Bro, like Ferrari's lap.
Bro!
Let's go! Let's go!
Man, where the hell do you find a Lamborghini on bank?
Okay.
You're not.
What do you approve it? He's gonna deny it, bro. We'll listen to Vihan and Vihan will be like, no, don't say yes.
Guys, right now we're waiting.
Guys, I think this is going to be the last Man Room video.
Bro. Who wants you in the video? You go. Guys, last video with Vihan. He's going to do neat, guys. Look at his face, guys. Look at him, guys. Look at him, guys. Bro, they can see him.
You can't talk about politics. How have you died?
Guys, vote for me when I become Prime Minister. Who is this?
Eggy, what are you watching, Eggy?
Some ad.
We're on the way to Majestic. Arjun, say hi.
Where's Eggy?
Say hi.
We're struggling to find someone with an EPL jersey.
It's very hard.
Yeah, we might not be able to complete this.
We've been searching for around 20 minutes.
But I feel like Nan, Sumer and Vihan will have a harder time with their jersey task.
For real, which is not IPL. I mean, which is not RCB.
Guys, Nan has taken my phone and he's going. I don't know where he's going right now. Nan, give me back my phone, Nan. Nan! Hey, Nan!
That is not the navigator. Where is bro going?
Bro forgot he said his spawn point.
I think our cab got. So now.
Nan, you lost our cab, Nan.
Guys, it's Virat.
Guys, we're at Majestic. We're taking a bus to KR Market so we can go see Bangalore Fort. Oh, sorry, we're taking a metro to Bangalore Fort, also called Tipu Sultan's Fort. You know, my grandmom has Tipu Sultan's ring in her cupboard. No cap. I'll show it in the video. I'll send the picture to Rishi. Rishi, put the picture in.
Hey, Rishi, if
Why are you asking him now? Like, as if he replied to you when he's editing the video.
I can feel the amount of power Rishi has, like when he's editing.
Yeah, exactly.
I can see everything.
We're having a conversation with him.
Rishi, if our channel blows up, will you take most of the profits because you're the editor?
He should.
I'll edit.
Yeah.
JK Rishi, you owe everyone money, please.
Oh yeah. No, we should actually get all of the profits because he owes everybody money. Bye, Rishi.
Rishi, visit SBI Bank.
Yes, guys, we got a cab to Kantiva Stadium where we'll go take a picture. Then we'll take the metro to Lal Bagh and then to Trinity and then we'll meet up with others.
Where is... We got a cab.
We got a cab. He's on the way.
How the hell am I?
White pants.
Whoa. Come, Nan. Guys, we're in the cab. Bangalore Palace.
Hi guys, we're at Bangalore Palace. We just took a picture, so that was one task done. And then there was another task that we had to befriend a foreigner. And then we asked her for a consent and then took a picture. So that's So that's two tasks. So that's two tasks done. Rishi will add our picture.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Guys, we're at Bangalore Fort. It looks pristine as always. The good old days, it was just like this.
Shut up.
We take you inside.
17th century.
Just got a picture at Kantiva Stadium. And now we have to go get a picture with the cops.
Yeah, guys.
Got
Guys, we're in the auto. We're going to UB City now to spot a supercar. Ari's there. Smile if you like. Plate. Oh no.
Start. So guys, we started around 10:30 and now it's 1:30. We finished 5 tasks till now.
On all the 6 spots.
We're going to the 6th one to take a picture with Vidhan Sauda. We finished Jamia Masjid, KR Market, Bangalore Palace, and we've taken a picture with the full size, the full body statue thingy. And we've befriended a foreigner who's a very sweet lady at Bangalore Palace. That's about it. And we didn't get arrested. This is where we were running in the Manhunt video, if you don't remember. Me and Amatya were running here. We've come so far since then.
Oh yeah, fun times. Ran up the stairs and we could have survived.
This is where we
really
got
wanted
caught
to.
in the Manhunt.
Guys, I don't like this guy. Guys, we've just
all super.
yeah, we've just come to UB City, trying to find somebody who speaks French, and absolutely nobody speaks French. I asked some, I think 12 different places, nobody speaks. And now we're gonna go find a supercar. This is our best chance.
No, we found a supercar here.
Huh?
Every car is a supercar in their own way.
Shut up, bro. Again.
This is the best place.
Yeah. We found a supercar. I mean, of course, it's not a supercar. It was a Mercedes, but it's still high end. Yeah, we can't find a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. Oh, it's a mess.
Along the metro bus station towards Lalbagh. Gonna get off at Majestic and then go to Lalbagh.
Guys, we're at Vidhan Sauda, as you can see back there. And that's our 6th task out of 9. We're done with 6 out of 9 now.
Now we take the metro to Church Street and finish the other tasks. Just got off the metro. We're going to Lalbagh. We eat lunch there and do a couple of tasks.
Quality.
It's good.
It's shit. Wait,
It's
look
good.
at shit. Look
This
at
is
mine.
not. This is good.
Look at mine.
Guys, comment below if there's much of a difference.
Guys, Android or iPhone? So tell us in the comments, guys.
Personally, it's
Android or iPhone? We all think that iPhone is clearly better,
disagree.
but he thinks iPhone is better. But let's clear it in the comments, guys. I want all your opinions right now. As you know, every man groomer,
Comment down below.
every man groomer, a part of the team matters.
Comment down below. Android or iPhone. And we'll give a free picture of iPhone.
We're almost done.
Yeah.
We have to do 2 last tasks, which is ask someone for 10 rupees and get a random person to subscribe to Manbroom. Once we've done this, we're done.
To ask the cab driver for change.
We'll ask him to subscribe. Guys, we're on our way to Lalbagh, guys. You can see the heat. It's very sweltering heat, guys. English reference if you didn't know. We're in Lalbagh right now. We're here to feed some doggos, if you know what I mean. Dog. What the dog doing? What the dog doing? Yeah. So we're going to go feed some dogs and we're going to take a picture in Lalbagh.
The goofy dog in Church Street didn't eat the biscuit. So we're going. Can you not?
Okay.
So we're going to feed these ones, and then we'll eat lunch and take a picture.
Yeah, guys, peace out. You know it's been real out here. You know we mean only love, no hate, guys. Manbroom.
Hi guys, we finished 6 tasks. We just finished taking a picture at Vidhan Sauda. Can you look at my face? Sorry. We just took a picture at Vidhan Sauda.
Now Vidhan Sauda metro.
And now we're going down the metro at BR Ambedkar.
Bro, the thing is, the other teams might have done the same amount of tasks as us, so we have to reach as fast as we can.
Yeah, but like we're better. Trust.
Rishi's feeding a dog. What the dog doing? Go. Bro's using his intimacy challenge accomplished. Oh, Oh, aren't you a cutie, Big Bed Senior? Guys, this guy's name is Big Bed Senior. Blight, that's Winter Bed.
Wait.
And that's Heat Master. Oh, you cutie patootie. You're so cute. Okay. Look at how cute these dogs are, guys. What the dog doing? Okay. Oh, it's so cute.
We're in the car, guys. We're going back to Prithvi's house. I mean, Igloo Lake.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. He's subscribing to Manroom. We finished another task. Subscribe to Manroom. हो सकता? Subscribe to Manroom. अब बोल सकता? नहीं, और ये सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए. हाँ. Thank you. Bye.
Rishi, use this footage, bro. Waiting.
This kind lady over here is agreed to subscribe.
One subscriber.
One subscriber.
No, I won't record him.
One more subscriber, guys, and that's one more task done.
Lal Bagh, we just took a picture.
And we've done 6 challenges.
I really appreciate nature on days like these, you know what I'm saying. Okay, lunchtime, guys.
Don't have time for us.
Yeah, we'll eat lunch over here, and then we fed dogs already, so now we have to go to Trinity to find that church and then get someone to subscribe.
We're basically done.
Yeah. We're enjoying a nice picnic here, guys. I got my peanut butter and apple and stuff. Whoa.
You got a whole like. Bro, my mom got for like you guys.
Guys, the dogs we fed biscuits, they come to steal our picnic food. They think they're the gang. They think they're the hood.
Who does Blood think he is?
Give this to the dog. No, wait. After we finish it, because then they'll keep asking for more.
Yeah.
No, I don't care. I'll beat that accident.
Shut the fuck up, they'll bite you. Like,
They're not, they're too
no,
scared.
these guns are in action. Nothing can happen.
Guys,
My
nature
mom
at
made
its
it.
finest.
My mom will already eat it.
Guys, Vian is emo, guys. Look where he's sitting. Sit there. Bro's doing delicious activities.
Guys, we want to see a majestic plant.
We're not in majestic.
When one is coming, we can push someone on the track and they'll get scared.
So many victims.
They'll get scared.
We'll save them though, don't worry. Bro has the satchel for the doubloons.
What feel the I said it first.
Oh shit!
Bro, hey, don't open now.
The doubloon satchel.
Guys, I think the train is stop, guys.
Shit, he listened to you, I think.
Shit!
Bro, So guys, we just finished up at Lal Bagh. We are now on our way to Trinity. The picnic was very nice. It was very enjoyable. It was very pleasant to eat lunch in Lal Bagh. But the dogs were very annoying, so we had to leave early. Can you not? We're on the way to Trinity, guys. We'll walk to the church and try and finish. Try and finish our last 3 tasks. Cut to the other team.
MN News, guys. Rating. He was having salted.
I would give this a 9.2 out of 10 and two extra points because they're using paper cups. Save the environment, guys.
8.
Save the environment. It is paper, yes.
Guys, salt below. Salt.
Bro's 40.
Comment below if you like salt more also.
Guys, sweet gang or
Feel
salt
me.
gang? I think I'm personally going for this. Sweet.
Bro's really complimented.
We're at the metro right
On
now.
the way to the church. We're on the way to the St. Mary's Church to get a picture there, and hopefully we find someone with an EPL jersey and someone who will subscribe to Manroom. Guys, men's team, they finished everything. They're on their way to
capping.
April Lake.
Cap, guys.
Who knows what Arjun, Aggie, Ari and Prithvi are up to.
I mean, it's Arjun and Ari in one team.
Cut to them.
Oh.
Yeah.
We made 15 minutes early. Guys, it's 3:59. We reached here at 3:45, but as we're recording it right now, it's 3:59, and we've reached the lake. So that means we don't get any. Yeah.
We don't get any minus points.
Yeah.
And we have finished all the tasks. Not really.
Guys, would that be Bat-Cat or Catman?
Hey man, hey bro, fist bump. Fist bump. Crossed. That's the way.
We're in the auto. It broke down many times, guys. So now we're gonna go to the St. Mary's Church and take a picture there. Hopefully we can find a guy who has an EPL jersey, and then we'll of course ask someone to sub to Manroom, which you all should do too, guys. 256 views but only 40 subs. I don't like this ratio, guys. Let's change it. Subscribe.
Guys, we left Church Street. Plus, if I'm going to find an IPL jersey except RCB, only RCB we found.
And now we're heading to I think Igloo Lake, and then we'll try to find someone being there.
Guys, we took a picture next to the church. Now we need to find a bus and go to Igloo Lake as soon as possible.
We did
also,
7 tasks, guys.
we have to get someone to subscribe to Manroom.
That's easy, bro. First we'll try to get some EPL, right?
We should just take the bus to Igloo Lake.
Okay, fine.
We'll find someone to subscribe to after.
The bus, yeah.
On the bus now, we've completed all modes of transport. My hair's a mess. Don't blame that.
So, all modes of transport done. We haven't done two tasks. IPL jersey and Man jersey.
The bus now, we're going to Igloo. We're leaving now, guys. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.
So by now even Nan's team had reached Igloo Lake, which means both the teams were there before us.
Manroom.
Guys, we got off the bus at Mayo Hall and now we've taken an auto to Igloo Lake. There are only 8 minutes left. There are only 8 minutes left, like in the timer. If we reach after, then we get points deducted for every minute we're late. And we're going to be late. Yes. And we still have to get someone to subscribe to Manroom.
Or else we lose like 30 points.
Yeah. Guys, I've lost every challenge I've been in. Please like this video so I can win.
By this point we were all really tired and fed up, and Yash got really angry that Nan had set the ending point at Igloo Lake, which was really far away from his house and way closer to Nan's. And also because we had been held up in the police station and our auto broke down many times, so we came like way later than everyone else. Yash started to get really angry and then this argument occurred.
No, it's not. This is closer than Phoenix. What do you say? You asking for 420.
Hey, I'm not part of this beef. Me and Arjun aren't part of this beef.
I'm talking about 40 minutes. Hey, man. Now it's our fault that our auto breaks down and it's random. Why is he finding about the location? If he had a location,
Abhishek, you did not shit about this. You asked where reporting. Yes.
Oh. Guys,
No lake. Unless I'm peaceful, relaxing time.
Guys, we don't
please, what are you doing? Please.
I'm gonna fucking get you back.
Whoa. Whoa.
And that's exactly why I said I'm not coming in the next video.
Why are you there, bro?
Brother, hold the phone. Like how I am. Oh, you guys are supposed to say something.
We came third place on our.
Out of 3 teams, you came 3rd place. Good job, bro.
We got the bronze medal. That team, which team came first?
Both of us.
Okay, they both tied. And we've all done 8 tasks here.
But you see, tell us this is not
Yeah, okay. So
what?
We were detained by the police for 40 minutes. Our auto broke down.
When listen to me, when they said 4:15, you guys
we
agreed
had to
to it.
negotiate for
But you guys agreed to it.
You guys are the easiest, except the PR
Yeah.
t-shirt, you guys are the easiest stuff.
Hey.
Compared to everyone.
No, that church. It took us
Hey, man.
to get there. The auto broke down for
PR market.
We had to go to
No, the PR market is, what more road you take off the PR market is highway.
But guys, all in all, this was a learning experience. I think next time we should do something less travel oriented, like a cook-off tournament. Guys, Manroom cook-off coming soon.
I don't know what to do.
Are we done? Can you fucking?
Man, found it. Noggin, see ya. Hey.
Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Manroom out.
But babe, you're dropping ice on the floor. Been giving me those eyes, yeah, all night long.
Brother, no. Brother.
Oh, yeah.
Guys,
No, you know what you should do? No.
Shut up, 3, 2, 1.
Eggy, what are your thoughts at this moment?
The favorite team in IPL.
Do you think
Everything except.
we'll win this year?
Of course, every year you come into the season hoping for the win. After 15 years, we've been disappointed, but
We won't.
keep
we
your
won't
heads
this time.
up, and this year, hopefully, we bring the cup home.
Isala Cup Namde, let's go.
Mumbai Indians fan here.
I'm not a Mumbai Indians fan.
Mumbai Indians, more like. Oh, shout out to my friends from Mumbai. Aditya Birla. What's the school's name? Yeah, Aditya Birla World Academy. Shout out to my friends from Abwa. Okay, they're all G's. We got Ari, Eggy, and Arjun over here.